In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add new users and assign licenses as an admin user of Alga Pro. To give another member of your team access to Alga Pro, you'll follow these steps. You'll do this on our portal, so first you'll want to go to portal.nineminds.com. Go ahead and sign into your account with your credentials. Then go ahead and head over to the Licenses tab. Here this shows all the licenses you have included in your subscription and whether or not you're still on your free trial versus paying for it. Click on the key symbol next to the license that you want to assign to a user. Enter the email of the person you want to assign the license to. After you've entered their email, hit enter on your keyboard. Then click Create New User. This side tab will open up, prompting you to add information for the new user. You'll create their username, add their first and last name, their email, and choose whether they're going to be a member, which is a regular user without management capabilities on Alga Pro, or an admin, which is someone who has access to management and analytics for the team. Once you click the Add button, their account will be created. The new user will receive an email shortly after you've created their account. The new user should sign in for the first time through the email. They now have access to Alga Pro. I hope you found this tutorial useful. As always, reach out to us with any questions on our Discord, which can be found on our social media or on our website, or at support@nineminds.com. If you're new here and you want to try Alga or Alga Pro, visit our website at nineminds.com to see your options.